this is the letter Z. The sound it makes is Do you know things that start with the sound? Okay, let's see together. What is this one? This is a zipper. Zipper. Okay, I'm gonna put the zipper here. This is the number. Yes, 0. 0. Wow, it looks like a horse, but it's not. What is it? Oh yes, it's a zebra. Zebra. What? This one is zigzag. Oh, just like this. Zebra, we go zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag. Okay, and this one is zinc. Zinc. Yeah. Nah, these are the things that start with the sound You can repeat that again by yourself. Goodbye for now.